Sector Comercial SA has been manufacturing since 1974, producing GESPASA equipments. From our first pump for transferring diesel fuel, our product range has resulted in an extensive catalogue with all kinds of solutions for AdBlue transfer, filtering, measurement and control of fuels, lubricants, greases and urea. 7,000 square meters set aside exclusively for carrying out the main manufacturing processes in-house. Metal chassis, machining, painting, plastic injection, assembly. All our kits are made at our headquarters. We design both the mechanical and electronic parts, and the software. The machining processes are made with CNC state-of-the-art machines, guaranteeing a high accuracy. Our metal workings include punching, folding, welding, polishing, and molding. All our metal chassis receive a cataphoretic treatment that give them a remarkable resistance to corrosion and oxidation, and two-component paint to give them maximum ultraviolet protection. In our plastic injection department, the parts are injected using a technical high-performance plastic compound. The assembly process is carried out following strict quality standards. All manufactured equipment is extensively tested before being sent out to guarantee the best quality of the final set. The different measuring kits are calibrated in our laboratory, approved by the Spanish Metrology Center with official European validity. And from our financial and commercial department, we are able to guarantee a speedy communication between the factory and our distributors to deliver our manufactured goods as soon as possible, regardless of their final destination.